Today we're test driving the all-new Infiniti Q60. This one is equipped with a 3-liter turbo engine, and we're going to do a fuel economy test to see how well it performs. So as you can see right now, we have a full tank of gas, and on this full tank, our fuel range is expected to be 511 kilometers. So we'll be driving this over the week, and we'll try to do a full tank of gas. If not, we'll at least do a half tank of gas, and we will guess our fuel economy based on how much fuel we've used, and check out how many kilometers that we've completed on the fuel that we've used. Also, we'll look at our other numbers such as our fuel economy, which is not showing right now because I just reset it. And we will also be resetting our trip meter at the bottom right now. As you can see, it reads 530. That's based on prior driving. Let me reset that by hitting this button right here. There we go. So as you can see, I've just reset my trip meter. I'm just going to reset my other trip meter as well. And we will see how many kilometers we complete and get a better idea of our fuel economy. We will also head to the gas station to fill up and see how much it costs us to fill up based on the amount of fuel that we've used. So let's get this test started and have some numbers for you shortly. So we just spent the week testing the Q60, and we have some numbers here that we'd like to share with you. So as you can see right now, we're down to having about a quarter tank of gas. We've used up a bit more than 3/4 of our tank, and we have driven a total of 453 kilometers. So what we achieved in terms of fuel economy was 11.9 liters per 100 kilometers. We also know that our fuel tank is 75 liters of capacity, so what we'll do now is we'll fill up at this gas station right here and see how much it costs to fill up, as well as calculate how many liters of fuel we've used and deduct that from our total tank capacity to get an idea of cost per kilometer. So before that, I just wanted to mention a bit about my driving conditions. As you can see, I've been driving in sub-zero temperatures for most of the time. It says -1 on the display right here. Also, I haven't had any of the air conditioning or the heating on for obvious reasons. This is a fuel economy test, and I kind of wanted to keep it as pure as I could. That being said, I did have the heated seat on my seat, as well as the heated steering wheel on. So that doesn't really affect too much of it, but it just kind of makes the driving more pleasant. So like I mentioned, we'll head to the gas station right here and see how much it costs to fill up. So stay tuned. So as you can see, it costs us $70.04 to fill up 57 liters of gas at a fuel cost of $1.22.6 per liter. That's premium fuel. So we just finished filling up 57 liters of gas. So what we'll do now is we'll take that 57 liters and do some calculations. So 57 liters of gas divided by 453 kilometers, which is the number of kilometers that we've driven, gives us our kilometers per liter number. So 453 divided by 57 gives us 7.9 kilometers per liter. So essentially, for every liter, we're able to drive 7.9 kilometers on this. So now that we know how many kilometers per liter this car consumes, we're able to calculate our actual fuel range. So what we'll do is we will take our 7.9 number, so 7.9 kilometers per liter, and times that by the total capacity of the fuel tank, which is 75. So 75 times 7.9 gives us 592. So 592 kilometers is our actual fuel range, and that's based on my driving, my conservative driving. So that's actually a really good number. That's because we have a really good fuel economy number that we are able to achieve in this car. What we'll do now is we'll calculate our cost per kilometer. So as you saw, we filled up for $70. So we'll take that $70 and divide it by the number of kilometers that we've driven. So 453 divided by $70 gives us a cost per kilometer of 15.4. So it costs us 15.4 cents to drive 1 kilometer.